Well, hi there folks, this is Aryan Thakur and you are watching Varatech, and today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get these awesome cute Pokemon wallpapers from Pixel for Excel on your Android devices. It requires no root, just an Android device running Android Oreo or above. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Warning. Well, these wallpapers drain a lot of battery, so install it on your own risk. Well, now make sure that you download Pokemon Wallpaper, and this is a zip file, and please don't extract it. Now go to Play Store and install Split APK installer. Now make sure that you use Google's wallpaper app only, otherwise this won't work. Like no other wallpaper supports this. So go ahead to the Split APK installer or SAI, then tap on install APK. Now it will ask for storage permission, so please grant it. Now go ahead and navigate where you have kept the Pokemon Sidekick wallpaper zip file and select it. Now the app won't install the app in a split second, so you need to wait. And you might also get a security pop-up which will look something like this. So go to settings and enable it. And if you are using Android Oreo, you need to go to settings, security and install from unknown sources. Please enable that option. Now you will get this pop-up. Now once the app is installed, all you need to do is go ahead to your Google's wallpaper app and find this Pokemon. Alright, so well, that's it for this video, I guess. And there are some pretty fair warnings that I would like to give you, is that these wallpapers use location permissions and drain a hell lot of battery. So don't complain if these wallpapers are using too much of battery. Well, you always have another option, is that remain on static wallpapers. Well, please don't keep this wallpaper to yourself. Share this video and please give a like. Till then, thanks for watching.